VulpeFi is not just a typical decentralized finance platform, it is a full-blown DefAI ecosystem. Welcome back, Crypto Moon community. Before we get started, just a quick reminder that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so make sure you always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. As I said before, VulpeFi is actually combining decentralized finance with AI in a way that's way smarter than just using AI as a buzzword. So it's all about optimizing and simplifying your crypto trading experience, especially if you are into multi-chain assets and don't want to juggle 10 different wallets or platforms. Now let's go and take a look at the website. First off, we have DefAI, so this is where VulpeFi really stands out. They are using AI not just for simple trading signals, they are using it to analyze real-time market behavior, generate predictive insights, and actually automate trading strategies across multiple blockchains. So we're not just talking Ethereum or BSC, they are building a cross-chain infrastructure that scales with your portfolio. Now imagine getting AI-driven alerts, smart trade suggestions, and even auto-trading modes that improve based on how the market behaves. It's basically turning your average Diggen setup into a smart, responsive machine. But they don't stop there. They actually build a DEX aggregator. So what does that mean? It means that it pulls liquidity from multiple decentralized exchanges, so when you trade, it finds the best possible price with the lowest slippage. Also, they have cross-chain compatibility, and that is a big one. VulpeFi lets you manage and trade assets across different chains in one place, so it's really a game changer for anyone tired of wasting time or money jumping through Web3 hoops. And here's the best part that really boosts credibility. That is Anndy, a major figure in the crypto world, and he has officially joined VulpeFi. This guy has 15 plus years in blockchain. He was a strategic advisor for Bybit. He worked with Hyundai DAC. He also worked with the Asian Productivity Organization, and he even had a hand in the Ronaldinho NFT project. So he is followed by CZ Binance on X, and he also has spoken on some of the biggest crypto stages globally, and now he has invested in VulpeFi. So also VulpeFi is getting listed on BingX. This is already confirmed. The announcement came directly from BingX's official X profile, and here's the deal. The pre-sale is live right now, but it's also in its final stage, so that means time is running out. If you're looking to get in before listings and wider exposure happen, I would suggest check them out right now. Also, looking ahead, they are planning some new things like new AI dashboards with even more advanced trading predictions, support for more blockchain networks beyond Ethereum and BSC, DAO-based governance features, and here's one speculation: possibly future listings on exchanges like Bybit. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching, Crypto Moon community, and I will see you in the next video.